Alright guys, so right now we are here at Eppley Airport in Omaha and unfortunately na-delay yung flight natin. So earlier, we are bound for Chicago at 6:30 a.m. Kaya lang nagkaroon ng safety issues and they have to let us out of the plane. Around 30 minutes nasa plane na kami before the take-off sana. But yeah, it happens. So time check right now, it's 4:52 p.m. and we are bound for Chicago at 5:55 p.m. So yun, hope na maging safe ang trip namin and welcome to my vlog. So see you guys sa Chicago videos natin and yeah, hope you're gonna enjoy my video. So yun, welcome to HJ TV.
Whoa, Chicago, beautiful city, dancing to the rhythm in club sky. From the north to the south side, we're all one. In the heart of Chicago, life's just begun. Whoa, Chicago, beautiful city, dancing to the rhythm in club sky. From the north to the south side, we're all one. In the heart of Chicago, life's just begun. Whoa, Chicago, beautiful city, dancing to the rhythm in club sky.
Alright, so finally we are here in Chicago. So as you can see, ay di nakikita. Di nakikita yung Chicago. So finally we are here in Chicago after 12 hours in the making. So we are finally here. Yan, nakita ba ba? Chicago. Okay, so we are here at O'Hare International Airport. So we just arrived here like 30 minutes ago. So kumain lang kami sa McDonald's. And it's really amazing because this is the first time that we came here in Chicago. So hope to enjoy here kahit na na-delay yung flight namin kanina umaga. So yun, I'm really happy na makatuntong kayo dito sa Chicago. So yeah, see you guys again. Oh my G. Hello! Ito po ang sponsor natin for today's video. Maraming salamat. Jason, oh my G, we have a closet. And then may mga ano sila dito. Vault box, water, coffee maker and everything. And let's check the restroom. Guys, this is so cool. Ganda niya. Double vanity mirror niya. And then we have here, what's this? Ay, may separate room for poops and wee. Okay. So this is the restroom, guys. Now let's go to the main room, bedroom. Ay, ang ganda. Amazing. We have also the flat screen here. and another mirror. And of course, we have here like a mini living room with a table. And of course, Chicago. Ito, kailangan natin magkaroon ng picture dyan. And yeah, gabi na kasi kami nakarating. So this is the view of the hotel room. So may katapat lang tayo na ano. But yeah, nasa 6th floor lang tayo guys. So medyo mababa lang. Ayan. Hello ka naman dyan ka.
Ano?
Guys, sasabihin ko guys. Hello ka naman dyan, Jason. Ayan. Siya nag-sponsor lahat ng ito. So yun, this is the room tour guys. Amazing. Yun, so magpapahinga na kami. At grabe yung 12 hours no in the making para makapunta dito. And it's worth it. Ayan. Naka-heater. Ay, naka-AC pa lang ngayon. So, yun. Alright. Bye, guys. So, dear customer, there's a space for the bed store luggage. Oh, meron pala. Pwede pala dito under yung luggage. Pwede dito sa ilalim. Yun, ang ganda. Alright. Bye, guys. Alright, guys. So, we are here at Millennium Park. So, we are just strolling here around downtown and meron ako yung papakita sa inyo. So, this is the famous The Bean here in the Millennium Park. So that is the Bean, as you can see. So let's try to explore this place. And yeah, picture tayo dito with this amazing structure here. It was actually built by Anish Kapoor. Siya yung nag-design nito. So yeah, ito siya. And that is the bean. Okay guys, so try natin hawakan tong the bean. Ayan, oh. Nakita nyo ba yan? Ano siya? Stainless steel. Stainless steel na sobrang laki. And as you can see on my background, fall kasi ngayon. So, yun, oh. Ganda ng color. And here we go. So pag malayo, pakita ko sa inyo kung pag malayo. Ito siya. Yan. There you go. Okay guys, so as you can see, we are here at the Bean. It is located here at the Millennium Park. So based on my research, no, so ang artist natin is si Anish Kapoor. Isa siyang British artist. And then ang bigat daw nitong the Bean na to is 110 ton. So bigat na. Then hinawakan natin siya kanina. So it's really made of steel. So para kang humawak ng isang malaking bola ng salamin. So, yun. So, as you can see on my background, maganda rin yung colors ng fall. So, maganda rin pumunta dito ng fall kasi kahit maaraw, malamig yung simoy ng hangin. So, yun. Siyempre, as a Pinoy, ayaw natin masyadong naiinitan. So, anyway, wala. Gusto ko lang talaga yung malamig. And then, yan o, kahit yung may araw na yun. So yun guys, so here is The view. Gotcha. So, ang ganda niya. Sobra. Okay, so now we are here at the Crown Fountain. Still at the Millennium Park. So, this is actually a LED fountain. So, it's actually parang made of glass. Oo, glass talaga siya. Kaya nag-iilaw daw to pag gabi. I don't know. So, ngayon kasi parang ang itsura niya wala siyang ano. Pero LED yan. LED daw yan. Ayan o. Oh, cute niya, no? Oh, ang cute ng ilong, oh. Tsaka ng bibig. Ayan. Yan siya. So, yan ang Crown Fountain. Still with that one. So, dalawa silang magkatapat. Ewan ko, wala ngayon eh. Wala yung fountain. Pero halata, di ba, may mukha. So, ayan. Ayan siya. Guys, ngayon ko lang na-realize na gumagalaw pala siya. So, LED pala talaga siya. Let's try na ano. Ayan, oh, dumidila pa siya. Ayan. Humingiti ka pa. So, hawakan natin siya kung anong itsura nun. At gumagalaw siya dito. So, yan, no? Ang glass niya is nasa ilalim. Yan, no, nakikita nyo? Sa ilalim.
Sorry na guys, ang ibig ko sabihin yung LED nasa ilalim ng glass bricks. What the heck?
Tapos, pinoprotektahan lang siya ng glass. So, kaya pagka ano, yun, no, mukha siyang 3D. Ayan, happy daw siya. Smile ka ulit, smile. Ay, ayaw na niya mag-smile. Kanina nag-i-smile siya. Ayaw niya na mag-smile. Tulog na yata. Ayan na, tulog na siya. Good night, mother. Alright guys, so today we are here at Jollibee, Chicago in Michigan Avenue. So we're gonna try. Siyempre bilang mga Pinoy, hindi pwedeng walang Jollibee.